Hey, this is Michael McNish here, the Sherp, head coach of the Game Changers. Really good to see you guys. Today I wanted to do a video about why word of mouth actually has to be a fundamental part of your marketing strategy. And the reason I want to talk about that is because a lot of the clients that we're working with were talking about low cost, low time involvement strategies in order to grow their businesses. And I really wanted to share with you 3 specific things that you can start to do to make word of mouth a fundamental part of your marketing strategy. But first, why do I say that? Because a lot of businesses I speak with go, well, my business is built on referrals, my business is built on word of mouth. How and why do I make that a fundamental part of my strategy? Well, that comes back to one of my first mentors who said to me, Michael, when a business has word of mouth, when a business generates referrals, when a business has people speaking about it, they're doing something right. I'll say that again. When your business is getting referrals, when your business is generating organic word of mouth marketing, word of mouth with people, then you're doing something right. And success leaves clues. So therefore, we should actually be making word of mouth a very critical part of our marketing strategy. But how do we do that? How do we actually scale word of mouth? How do we make our customers become our marketers? So the first thing that I recommend that every single person does is ask for referrals. Ask for referrals, ask for testimonials, ask for reviews, actually ask the question, and I'm astounded and amazed at the number of businesses who actually don't do that. Do you do that? Do you actually ask people for testimonials, referrals? Do you ask people to speak about you? Do you ask them for a favor to help you out and actually spread the word about your business and about what you do? If you want to make word of mouth a fundamental part of your marketing, step 1, start asking. It sounds very simple, but a lot of people don't do it. So do that. The second thing to do to generate word of mouth is to do something kind of awesome. Actually create some unique thing that is so unique and different to anyone else in the marketplace. Think about what Richard Branson would do by wearing lipstick on for publicity purposes. To get people speaking about you, you kind of have to be interesting. So think about how you can fun it up a little bit. Have a bit of fun with your brand, have a bit of fun with your marketing, and notice that the more fun and excitement and adventure that you can bring into your marketing, into your publicity of your business, the more people want to talk about you. Okay, so what's in right now is interesting. So be interesting. The third thing that you can do to generate word of mouth for your business is to deliver great customer service. You think that if you go to a restaurant, most people talk about the food or they talk about the service. Well, they might talk about both, but people remember the service. And if you can deliver exceptional customer service, thinking about the customer experience, then people will naturally talk about you. Then you might be going, well, how is customer service or customer experience part of a marketing strategy? Well, it's actually a fundamental part. It's where your customers are actually engaging with your business. That's a part of the marketing strategy. So thinking about how word of mouth fits into your business, maybe start to implement 1, 2, or all 3 of those ideas as a starting point to make people talk about you. Because there's nothing worse than being not spoken about, right? So let's start getting the marketplace talking great about you. And if you'd like to take this a step further, apply now for a call with us. Apply now for a strategy call with our coaching team. And we can help you devise a word of mouth strategy for your business and take that further into a full marketing and growth strategy. That's all for now. Let's get people talking about you, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.